What are the industries where the generative AI already has significant impact? Well, in my mind, we need to think about this not just as a list of industries, but rather as the type of tasks and type of functions where GenAI already has significant impact, and then think about in which industries those types of tasks are more prevalent than in others. And I think that today it is very clear that there are two such tasks. So one of such tasks is interaction with the computer. Humans used to interact with computers in the language of computers. Now think about all the programming, all the different popular or less popular programming languages. They were designed for humans to program a computer. With the help of GenAI, humans today can program a computer in the natural language. That is, in the way people would talk to other people. Of course, professionals benefit from it by speeding up or making themselves more efficient. But more importantly, the millions of managers who before were, in a way, blocked away from interacting with the computer in that way can do it now. With our MBA students, for example, I teach a class called Foundation of AI for Managers. And in that class, we take this exact approach. That is, students in their own words would explain what they want to do. GenAI tools will generate computer code that will do it. And then kind of logically thinking through the steps of how that computer code should work, students can create, fairly powerful and impactful things. The second type of tasks is on text summarization. So any kind of industry where text summarization is important would also benefit greatly and already benefits. For instance, a recent data point from a large contact center is that, of course, as you know, you start chatting with the bot and you ask several questions, and then if the bot cannot solve your issue, you would like to talk to a human, right? So in the past, the way it worked is that the human was provided with the entire log of your conversation and then had to read it first before replying back to you. What happens now is that GenAI tools can be used to summarize that conversation so that the agent can quickly get up to speed on what is your request. A data point from an industry partner is that this saves on average 1 minute per conversation. On one end, you can think, well, the business saves 1 minute from every call. But also think about that's a minute for every caller given back to the people, right? And if you have a minute of calls, that's 1 million minutes of doing something more useful than chatting with a bot.